Thank you, CPC Girl. Please remain standing for the swing of Puso. To welcome us all in this fair, a warm round of applause for the Mr. and Mrs. Houston 2024 Community Chairwoman and our very own Salvador Bayan member. Let us welcome Honorable Ana Napa.
Vice Mayor Lydia, SP Mayor Honorable Shane Mas, ito kundi sa anda ng mga karisma. And the vital spirit of our community. As the chairperson of the Service of Mr. and Miss Nixon 2024, it is my absolute pleasure to welcome you all, our esteemed guests, judges, dedicated officials, and wonderful visitor, especially to CPC Corals, and serve as Management. Tonight, we are not only here to witness the crowning of new Mr. and Miss Nixon, but we are also to celebrate the unity, diversity, and talent that our Mount Solomon youth has to offer. Ang Jam event, nagpapakita din kay aton ng mga kinaiya, kultura, at aton ng mga kandong bilang mga Mount Solomon. The search for Mr. and Miss Nixon is an incredible platform that gives us, our youth, the chance to share, particularly in this event, not only their confidence, but also in their sense of responsibility and leadership. Tonight, pinasigaw natin the empowerment of our youth and the promotion of our cultural heritage. Aton din panulong na diyang event, hindi lang corona ang titulo. It's about building a community that values each other and embrace the collaborative stance. So I urge each of you tonight to join to support the families to their talent and engage with one another throughout the journey. Together, it makes the search for Mr. and Miss Nixon 2024 a memorable occasion that looks forward to our hearts, minds for years to come. Thank you again, CPC Coral, for this time. Before I end, gusto ko din ipakilala ka ninyo ang aking member behind this event. Co-chairperson, Chairman Sir Ian L. Belletti,
as a community, rooted in the tradition of sharing food and blessings. This festival reminds us of the value of generosity, gratitude, and unity that make Puso truly special. Tonight, our candidates will bring the festival to life on stage, wearing exquisitely music-inspired attire. Each outfit is a work of art featuring vibrant colors, intricate details, and styles that tell a story